The interim chairperson of the peace monitoring body, reconstituted joint monitoring and evaluation, George Gray, has asked the United Nations Security Council to urgently send a high-level diplomatic mission to Juba. He says such a mission is needed to assess the situation on the ground and to directly engage with the parties to the peace agreement. George warned that the current political and security situation in South Sudan is worsening. If not urgently addressed, he said the peace agreement could collapse and the country may slide back into army conflict. According to the monitoring body, since the extension of the transitional period in February 2025, conditions have deteriorated. The group cited the Nasser incident and reported repeated violation of the permanent ceasefire. These include aerial bombardment on area controlled by the SPLM-IO, by the National Army, the SSPDF, targeting even cantonment sites and training centers. There have also been violent clashes between the SSPDF and SPLM-IO forces, along with their allied group in several regions. The deployment of Ugandan force inside South Sudan under the bilateral arrangement has also raised concern and is contested by some parties to the peace deal. George further said that frequent unilateral dismissals and appointment by the government both at the national and state level have weakened the power-sharing arrangement and made the peace deal harder to implement. He explained that there has been very little progress in preparing for election scheduled for December 2026, and critical tasks such as constitution making remain pending. Despite the setback, George reminded that Council that the 2018 peace deal has brought relative peace to South Sudan over the past years, and it should remain the framework for building a lasting peace and stability. He urged the UN Security Council to use its influence to salvage the peace process, support regional mediation, and help South Sudanese leaders to resume dialogue and move forward with the implementation of the agreement. This is today's news update. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.